Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and in this quarantine I have been very organized. I've been purging, I've been cleaning a lot, and I decided to clean my little makeup cart just because it needed the care for the longest time, and it felt so therapeutic just because I definitely cleaned and disinfected everything, and I got rid of things that I just no longer needed and were too old. So this specific cart is called the Raskog cart from IKEA. This color is discontinued, but they do have other colors in the website. So check out IKEA. Costco also has a very similar one, and I believe that one has 4 shelves. So Costco is an option. Michael's also has a cart. It's mostly towards crafters, but maybe it could suit you. So definitely check out more options of these specific carts. I've had this one for years, so I recommend it. It's very basic, it does a job, and you can use it for different purposes. My sister has one for her crafting supplies, and my mom has one for the kitchen. So definitely check them out if you guys want to see how I clean and organize my makeup cart. Go ahead and keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning my makeup cart. This is how it looks. It is a little more messier. I try to keep it pretty organized, but this is how it just turns out, just because I do use a lot of these things, and I try to keep my makeup for the most part all here. This is what it looks like right now, and I really like having all my makeup here. I do have like hair items, but that is separately, and I'm trying to use all of them for the most part, just so I can buy the few that I like and not have so many. So this is what it looks like, and this little IKEA cart I bought at IKEA and I bought it like maybe like 4 years ago, and I really love it. It keeps me organized, and obviously I can take this anywhere I want in my bedroom because I like to change up where I do my makeup. So this is what it looks like for the most part. It is makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and fix everything. I want to clean, sanitize everything. You see it's super dirty, so I want to clean the cart as well. So let's get into it. I'm gonna go ahead, and I have this already set up on my bed, a cloth to clean it, some alcohol, and a cleaner already. This is vinegar and soap that my sister made. It's more eco-friendly, so I decided to use this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all my eyeshadow palettes here, clean them up, and use some alcohol just so they, you know, we use them a lot, so I feel like some alcohol spritz would help them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and just set them all here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my alcohol, and I'm just going to spray all of them, and I'm going to let them air dry a little bit. So just like that to all of them. So next I'm just going to let them air dry, and then I'm going to close them up. So right now I'm just gonna remove all of this and put it here and clean each item. So now I've removed everything from the top layer. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this little mat I put. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean, I cleaned these already. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the top as well. Just because it does get dusty. And this part as well. These little containers I actually bought in IKEA as well, and these are like $2 each, which really helps to organize and obviously put more things in those little containers. So I've already cleaned my brushes, and I put all my brushes in one of these. So I've already removed the hair and put some alcohol in these, so I put those there. I'm gonna go ahead and organize my palettes. And I have two of the same ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them here. I do have smaller ones. Actually, I can do this. These are all of these are clean, so I never put back any dirty ones. They're just a little dusty, which I just need to go like that. I'm gonna get rid of this one. So I like to put all my little mirrors in one little IKEA basket. Just another mirror. More accessories, a sharpener, curler here, my skincare, makeup remover, setting mist, toner, deodorant. Need some deodorant here. These are kind of things that I use for the most part every day. This is what the second layer looks like. Again, very messy. It's a lot of concealers, eyebrow products, eyeliners, lipsticks, lip glosses, more eyeshadow palettes on the back, foundations, powders, highlights, blushes. So I'm going to remove all of this, clean it, and I will be back. Oh my gosh, I just spilled it everywhere. You see, I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this one. This is the, which one's this one? I forget. The highlight, the champagne pop. And it broke, and oh my gosh, I felt so bad. But look, I couldn't fix it anymore, so I'm gonna have to probably toss this. I have more highlights, so We have to move on. Move on and clean this. You see guys, this is why this is good to do. So I've already cleaned my rag because it was very, very dirty. So I'm going to continue, and it's a little wet, so it's fine. So I actually lost all the footage from this part down. I think I deleted it on accident, so I'm just going to show you guys pretty much. I did the same thing, like cleaning everything, and this is how the top layer looks once I have it all organized. This works for me just because before I did have like little like organizational like boxes here, and I feel like it was just taking like way too much space and wasn't very organized. So this is what is working at the moment for me. Maybe I will change it in the future, but for now this is perfect. And I have all my little loose pigments here, foundation, my powders, highlights, bronzers, lipsticks, lip glosses, eyebrow stuff. So all of that is nice and organized. And I have some Q-tips, some rounds here, or cotton pads. And I have all my dirty brushes here. I don't put them here just because those are all clean. So I just don't like having clean and dirty ones in the same containers. So that is my little dirty makeup sponge and brush holder. I showed you guys that already. And for the last shelf, I have some makeup wipes, some napkins, some clean sponges there. And this one is super cute, guys. I bought this one in eBay, this little container, and this is perfect for traveling. So it's just not loosely in your makeup bag, and it just gets your makeup bag super dirty. So I like this one. Go to eBay and check these out. And again, that's clean. And this is what the bottom looks like. I do have all my hair accessories here. All my eyelashes are here. Some baby wipes, just because I do like to use some baby wipes when I'm doing my makeup to maybe like clean my hands. And here I have like little bobby pins, little pincitas. I have here some more little clips. I have some ligas here, some sponges here. So that is how this looks. I am so glad. I did definitely get rid of a couple things that I'm like, okay, I don't need that anymore. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! All clean and organized. So that is how my makeup cart turned out. Again, very therapeutic. The next day that I used it, I felt like my makeup routine was definitely more like stress-free, just because I wasn't scavenging through my makeup cart. It can get way messier, but the key is to keep it organized. So definitely just try to keep it organized. And I try not to buy so much makeup, so it definitely keeps me limited from what I can put in that cart, just because I don't need that much makeup. So I definitely recommend this little cart. If you guys have any recommendations for other ways of organizing makeup, or even clothes is something that I struggle a lot with, just because I have so much and I can't get rid of a lot of them, like pieces, skirts, shirts, dresses, just because I really like them, and I'm like, I can't get rid of it because I like it. If I don't like it, I will get rid of it. But I am trying to purge and clean and just get rid of things that I just don't need, just to make my life a little easier and stress-free. So if you guys happen to like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions for future videos down below, and follow me on Instagram. I am very active on Instagram. I do show like more things like my life and like suggestions of like little things that I buy maybe on the weekend. So definitely check me out on Instagram. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Make sure to stay home and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.